Good morning, dear students. You all are welcome to this video session of subject mathematics. Where today we are students. Where today we are going to see one of the new topic on the workbook, which is on the page number 67. So, students, let us start the topic. Let me read the topic first and explain you what the topic used to say for this. So, the question is number 3, which is find the area of the following fields. Students, yesterday we have done one of the question in which we have found out the area. Now before doing this question, open your notebook, students. In that notebook some formula I am writing, because to find out the area of these shapes you need some formulas. So take out the notebook first for the mathematics, and in that first of all mark the date. So today's date is 21st/1/21. Maths we are doing, and write down on the top of the page, which is chapter number 11, area and the boundary. Okay, and on the top of the page mark as some important formulas. So students, first I'm drawing a square here. You also have to draw one square here. This is a square, and students, all the four sides of square are equal. This is one side, this is a side, this is also a side, this is also a side, and this one also is a side. So students, all the four sides of a square are equal, we know that. So there are two formulas. First, if I have to find out the total of all the sides, अगर मुझे सभी sides का total करना है, तो I can do one thing. इन फोर साइड्स को, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये मैंने जो फिगर ड्रॉ की है उसके अंदर सभी साइड्स 5 सेंटीमीटर की है. सो इफ दिस इज 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस वन ऑल्सो वुड बी द 5 सेंटीमीटर, दिस वन ऑल्सो वुड बी द 5 सेंटीमीटर, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो द 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, राइट डाउन एज फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला, इफ आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल ऑफ फोर साइड्स. अब टोटल ऑफ फोर साइड्स को सिंपली वी कैन नो इट एज पेरीमीटर of the, because it is a square I am writing here square, so perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by side. Okay students, this is the formula for the perimeter. Now if I have to find out the area, now students understand what is the meaning of area. area का मतलब होता है कि पर्टिकुलर फिगर ने कितनी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई की हुई है. नाउ दिस फिगर, ऑल द साइड्स आर कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ द 5 साइड्स. इट हैज comprised this much area, it has occupied this much area. If I will increase this 5 centimeter to 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, so maybe possible the square will require more area. If this is 5 centimeter, this is acquiring this much space. If I'll increase the value of the sides, it will acquire this space, or if I'm increasing the space up to 10 centimeter, it will acquire this much space. So area basically means whatever the space it is occupying, and simple formula for finding the area is there. Area of the square is side multiplied by side. Okay students, this is the formula for the square. I'm writing it here, square, all the four sides are all sides equal. Now another, I will mark the topic as rectangle. So students, you know that what is the difference between a square and a rectangle. In rectangle the opposite sides are equal. I have drawn one rectangle here, so this can be known as the length. So the opposite of this side is this one, so this also should be the length of the rectangle. This is a breadth, so I will write here breadth. This is also the breadth, I will write here breadth. Okay students, if the length is here 5 centimeter, So this also should be the 5 centimeter because opposite sides are equal. And if this is 3 centimeter, I will write here 3 centimeter. If this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this one also would be the 3 centimeter. Now coming back towards the last formula, perimeter used to say the sum of all the sides. In the same way, if I have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle, so perimeter basically means 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So what I will do here, students, perimeter of rectangle, the formula would come as 2 in the bracket length plus breadth. Whatever the length and breadth is there, I have to do the addition and then I will multiply it with 2 because 2 lengths are there and 2 breadths are there. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. And next one is area of a rectangle. The formula for the same would be L into B, which is length into breadth. So students, write these formulas first in your notebook of the maths and then open a new page to solve these sums in the workbook. So what I have to do here, students, I have to find out the area of the following fields. These are the fields, we can say. This is a field. Field means an open piece of land in which we can play, we can do agricultural activity, whatever we can do, we can say it. So let us see what this figure is all about. This figure, because this is a length and this is a breadth. Now how can we know this is a square or a rectangle? So students, simply looking at the sides we cannot determine, but the measurement if we will mark, अगर measurement को देखें तो हमें समझ में आ जाएगा कि is it a rectangle or a square. So here it is 49 and it is 47, both are different. So we can say that in rectangle only the two sides are different. So we can call this as L and we can call this as breadth. So if this is 49 centimeter, this one also is 49 centimeter, this is 47 centimeter, this must also should be 47 centimeter. So no guesses, students, this is the figure for the rectangle because this one is different and this one is different. If it would be have been both the same, we would have applied the formula for the square. So students, let us open a new page in your notebook and start to do a sum by applying the formula of perimeter. Mark question number 3, find the area. Workbook page number 67. Only the answer I will write in the workbook, otherwise all the calculation I will do it in the notebook. So mark the formula for area of rectangle. Of this we are doing the sum number 1. Mark here number 1. Area of rectangle is equals to L into B. Students, the length of the figure is 49 meter into breadth is 47 centimeter. Now quickly students, do the multiplication in the rough sheet. So students, this is my rough sheet. What I will do here is I will do the multiplication of 49 into 47. 7 9s are 63, 7 4s are 28 plus 6 is 34, 4 9s are 36 and 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19. So 3, 10, 13, 1, 2. 2303. 2303. Don't forget to write meter square, students, because when we are multiplying 49 with 47, the meter also should be multiplied and the answer would come as 2303 meters square. At last, write the answer in this one, 2303 meters square. Let us do the another sum, students. This is also a rectangle because this and this is different. This is known as L and this is known as B. So take out the book mathematics and mark it as number 2. Again mark the formula as area of rectangle is equals to L multiplied by B. What is L given here? It is 86 meter into 49 meter. So students, I'm making a rough sheet here. what I have to do the multiplication is 86 into 14 9. 6 9s are 54. 9 8s are 72 plus 5 is 77. 4 6s are 24. 8 4s are 32 plus 2 is 34. 11 12 4214. 4214 meters square is your answer. Write the answer 4214 meters square. Okay students, this is your third sum. This is very interesting student, because this is neither a square nor a rectangle. What you will do students, this you have to divide it into the two parts. Like here, if I have divided here, so what I have made here students, this is a square and this one is my rectangle. So students, do one thing. If I have made the square here, so students, if this is 51, this one also should be the 51 meter. If this is 51, this one also is 51 meter, and this one also is a 51 meter. Now you are having the sides of the square, but what about this rectangle? So this part is this entire part is made up of 78 meter, because it is given here. ये पूरा 71 का है. So students, यहाँ तक अगर 51 का है, तो you have to find out this one. This is your breadth, this is your breadth, this is length, and this one entire is the length of the rectangle. So students, मुझे पहले ये find करना है. So entire line is made up of 78. Out of that, this is 51. So what I will do to find out this one? So 78 minus 51 I will do. So if I'll do 78 minus 51, the answer I have to do the calculation. Or you can do one thing students, 27 you can write the answer. 27 is your answer students. So students, this is 27 meter. So this one also should be 27 meter. What about this length students? So up to this is 51. Of course, what we can do here, I have to mark out this one. This is also 51. Okay students, because this is 51 and we have been given here कि ये जितना है उतना ही ये हमें दिया हुआ है. Okay students, so if this is 51, what you will do students to find out the entire line is that you can do one thing. 51 plus 51, it is 102 meter. So your length is 102 meter. So for rectangle, the L is 102 meter and B is 27 meter students. And for square, all the four sides are of 51 meter. Now we can take out the notebook here students to calculate the area of both the figures. Mark as 3, area of square find out first. Okay students, so area of square, the formula is side into side. The side is 51 meter into 51 meter. Do the calculation for 51 meter into 51. 51 into 51. 51 into 5 ones are 5 and 25. 10162. 2601 meters square is your area for the square. Now do one thing, find out the area of rectangle. So formula would come as L into B. What is the L given here students is 102 meter into B I have found out as 27 meter. Students, just do the multiplication in the rough sheet for that 102 into 27. Check it again. Do the multiplication on the sheet. So this is 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 1 will come, 7 1s are 7. 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 4 5 7 2. So students, 2754 would come as an answer. Write down this one, 2754 meters square. But students, the answer has not over yet. I have to find out the area of the figure, because we have divided it into the two parts, which first one was the area of square plus next one was the area of rectangle. I have to do the addition, then after I can say that what is the answer for that figure. So area of rectangle, area of square I have found out 2601 meters square, plus area of rectangle is 2554 meters square. Just do the addition in the rough sheet. 2601 plus 2754, 5531, 5355 meters square is your final answer. 5355 is your final answer, students. So what you will write here? 5355. Students, write down meter square here. Don't forget to write here. Okay, so let us look at the fourth sum, which is given here is fourth number. Of course, this is a square figure because both the sides are equal. So this is also 44, this is also 44. Put the formula for square. So area of square is side into side. So 44 meter into 44 meter I will write. So 44 into 44 meter, do the calculation, the rough sheet. 16 and 17, 16 and 17, so 63191. 1936 is your answer, students. 1936 meters square. So 1936 meters square is your answer. So students, these are the sums what we have done today in the notebook as well as in the workbook. Thank you for watching the video today's session. Make sure to write a notebook also in the workbook. Have a nice day to all students.